Hey guys, it's Dev Joshi. Welcome to Programmer Geekz. Today we are going to talk about certain conditional statements in C language. But first, let's talk about true and false in C language. In C, any non-zero number, including negative numbers, is said true, while false is zero. So, by keeping this in mind, let's start our discussion by the if statements. As you all know by now that to better understand everything, we will write a piece of code. So, let's do that. So here we have hash include stdio.h void main. Now let's declare a variable of int where a equal to 10. Now the general form of an if statement is if in round brackets condition and then code block to be executed if the condition is true. Okay, now let's learn this by simply checking the value of the given variable. For this tutorial, we'll keep this as simple as of now. So if a is greater than 5, then printf a is greater than 5. Okay, so now let's run this. So as you can see that the output is a is greater than 5. So as you all guessed by now that if the condition inside the if statement will be true, then the code within the if statement will be executed. So there's another thing to this, and this is the else part. So most of the time there is always an else part within an if statement. Now let's check that too. We already learned about the if statement, but in the case the condition goes false, the code direction gets shifted to else part. Let's check it out. So now the general form of the whole if else statement will be if condition code to be executed if the condition is true, well else code to be executed if the condition is false. So we'll check that again with the same example but this time the condition will be changed. If a is less than 5, then we'll be printing printf a is less than 5. But in the case if the condition goes wrong, then we'll print a is greater than 5. Okay. So let's run this. So you can see that the output is a is greater than 5. So as you all know that if the condition goes false, the output or the program will shift towards the else part. Now to better understand this, we'll take a practical approach of taking a value from user and checking it if the number provided by user is even or odd. So let's just do it. Okay, printf enter any number. Okay, so now scanf %d comma %a. So we'll check if a %2 equal to 0. So this is the condition to check the even or odd. If the number is divisible by 2, then the number is even, and if it's not, it's odd. Then printf it is even. Okay, now the else part, if the condition goes wrong, that means the number is odd. Printf it is odd. Okay, so let's check the output. Okay, enter any number. I'm entering 8. So 8 is even, as we all know that. Now let's enter any odd number. That's 7. It is odd. So this is a quick tutorial on if else statement. If you have any doubt or any kind of suggestion, please write it down in comments. Hope you like it, and in case if you like, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and it would be amazing if you subscribe to my channel. Okay, so thank you. Have a nice day.